Open house is a really important time of year for us. So of course, we try to have different opportunities throughout the school year to get the parents in and get them involved. But open house is that one time a year where we really just go all out in the classrooms, in the hallways, open our doors, and we usually get a very good turnout. And it's a really good thing for us because it's a time to really make contact with the parent, and it's not to sit down to discuss any concerns or anything like that. It's just positive. It's just come in and see the great things that are happening at Thigpen-Zavala. Come see the wonderful things that are happening in your child's classroom, the work that they're creating. Look at the projects they've done. A little takeaway with the parents so that they have something to take home as a keepsake. We have little photo stations across the campus so that they can remember, just a little keepsake of when they were in first grade and second grade. They can take a little snapshot and take them with them.
Some of the things I want to show my parents are my drawings, my compositions, my coloring, and all the important stuff we did.
My favorite thing that I want to show her is my drawings and how I like to paint. I like open house because I can show all my drawings to my mom, and I can do a lot of reading with my mom, and I can show a lot of fun things.